Hey, what's up, everybody? So I made a buy on eBay here. This is a really old Brandt money counter, and I'm sitting here messing around with it, and it's completely filled with grease, and I mean completely loaded with grease. Is that normal? Like, is this how old money counters used to work? They were just loaded with grease? I have a hard time believing that. That's very strange to me. So, I'm absolutely baffled by this. I'm absolutely baffled by this. It's a very low-tech piece of equipment. It only counts bills. It won't tell you the denominations that they are. So what you have to do is you have to like select 20s or select 10s, and you hit start, and it'll just count how many of those bills that you have. But this is ridiculous. I mean, this is beyond like obscene. Alright, I guess it's like touch sensitive. But it's just packed with grease. I can't imagine that being its normal like operating parameters. Has anyone ever used one of these? I think this is from either the late 70s or early 80s, if I had to guess. Let's see here if we have any markings here. Alright, it's 110 volts. Let's see, Brandt, Bensalem, Pennsylvania, model 862-23, made in USA. It's interesting. I'll have to look that up, that model number. Very interesting device. Kind of fun, you know, in a way. Kind of fun to pick up a weird, oddball item like this, but this blows my mind that they're packed with grease. So yeah, there you have it, folks. I've ruined a bunch of 20s with grease. Thanks for watching.